We're going to answer this question here, and as you can see, it's a VCAA question, which means it comes from a Year 12 exam, and it comes from a Northern Hemisphere exam from 2018, and it's multiple choice question 4. Now, there are about 20 multiple choice questions in a Year 12 exam, so the fact that we're only on question 4 leads us to believe that this would be an easier question, and it is. Normally, it starts off pretty easy, and then towards the end of the multiple choice section, it gets very, very tricky. So this one should be on the easier side. Okay, so it says, if A and B are events from a sample space such that the probability of A is this, the probability of B is that, and the union is that, then find the probability of A intersection of B complement. The first thing that you might want to do here is just draw for yourself a Karnoff map. So I can say A, not A, B, not B. Now, what information do we know? Well, I know that A is 0.6. I know that B is 0.3. Now, what do I need to figure out here? Because I've been told that the probability of A union of B is 0.7, but I can't really I can't put 0.7 onto this quite yet. What I'm trying to find here is, I'm trying to find that right there. So how can I do this? Well, the trick to this question is realizing that what we're going to do to find this is first find the intersection point. So we're going to first find this value here. And to do that, we can just use our addition rule, which tells me that the probability of A, the union of B, is going to be the probability of A plus the probability of B minus their intersection. So that means we're going to end up with 0.7. Now, I know what the probability of A is. It's 0.6. I know what the probability of B is. It's 0.3. And therefore, I don't know what this is quite yet. So let's just call it minus x, or I could just call it minus question mark. Then this is going to be 0.7 is equal to 0.9 minus some value. So that means this question mark here is going to have to be what? Well, if I rearrange this, and I might replace this question mark with an x. Let's just say I'm finding that x value there. That means I'm going to end up with negative 0.2 is equal to negative x. Therefore, x is going to be equal to 0.2. So that means here, this is going to be 0.2. And therefore, what is this value here going to be? Well, I know that 0.2 plus something is going to have to be 0.6. So this value here is going to have to be 0.4, which means my answer is going to be E. So that's kind of how you think through this question. Hopefully that has made sense, and I shall see you in the next one.